Welcome back to our Chicago Outdoors. I have this piece of paper here, and we're going to use this to make a paper airplane and then fly it outside when it's very windy. It'll get strange doing this. Alright guys, I'm back. It is so windy today, so I don't think this is going to work. Let's try it. It's really, really cold. It's 53 in Houston, Texas. It's really cold for what it's not heavy. Let's try it. Oh, shoot. Go. Oh, shoot. I'm in the parking lot now. Let's do this. Disappointing. Disappointed. Grab this. Got my giant hail in my ear. Yeah. Wind ruins it. Ooh, that was pretty sick though. That was actually sick. Vile. Okay. Well, this is not good as I was planning. My hands are actually really cold. Oh, shit. I gotta go that back. I did. So I want you guys to subscribe, hit the like button.